India operates one of the largest and most diverse air forces in the world, with hundreds of combat, transport, and surveillance aircraft across multiple branches. This is every major aircraft India operates, starting off with fighter aircrafts. The Dassault Rafale serves as a multi-role fighter equipped with advanced radar, beyond visual range missiles, and precision strike capability. India operates both single-seat and twin-seat variants, designed for air superiority, deep strike missions, and nuclear delivery roles. The Sukhoi Su-30 Mk-1 forms the backbone of India's fighter fleet with over 250 aircraft in service. This twin-engine multi-role fighter features thrust vectoring, long range, and heavy payload capacity for air dominance and strike missions. The Dassault Mirage 2000 provides precision strike capability with upgraded avionics and weapons systems. India operates modernized variants capable of delivering guided munitions and performing interception roles, particularly in high-altitude and strategic strike operations. The MiG-29 serves as an air superiority fighter with high maneuverability and twin-engine performance. Upgraded variants improve radar, avionics, and weapon systems, allowing effective engagement in both interception and limited multi-role combat scenarios. The HAL Tejas is an indigenous light combat aircraft designed for multi-role missions. It features modern avionics, fly-by-wire controls, and compatibility with advanced weapons, providing a lightweight and cost-effective platform for air defense and strike operations. The Sepakat Jaguar operates as a dedicated ground attack aircraft optimized for low-level strike missions. It carries bombs, rockets, and precision-guided munitions, and is used for deep penetration strikes and maritime attack roles. Next on the list is Airborne Early Warning and Reconnaissance. The Bereave A-50E1 serves as India's primary airborne early warning platform, equipped with a large radar dome capable of detecting and tracking multiple aerial targets at long range, providing command and control for coordinated air operations. The Embraer EMB-145 Netra operates as a smaller AEWC system designed for regional surveillance and battlefield awareness. It provides real-time tracking of aerial threats and supports air defense coordination with modern radar and communication systems. The Bombardier Global 5000 functions in an electronic intelligence role equipped with advanced sensors for signal interception and monitoring. It gathers strategic intelligence, tracks electronic emissions, and supports surveillance operations across extended ranges. The Boeing 707-337C serves as a dedicated reconnaissance platform configured for electronic intelligence missions. It collects data on enemy radar and communication systems, enabling situational awareness and supporting planning for electronic warfare operations. The Boeing 737 operates as a surveillance and reconnaissance aircraft equipped with modern sensor suites. It supports intelligence gathering, maritime monitoring, and electronic surveillance missions across large operational areas. Next on the list is aerial refueling aircraft. The Ilyushin Il-78 Mk-1 serves as India's primary aerial refueling platform, equipped with multiple hose and drogue systems for mid-air refueling. It extends the range and endurance of fighter and transport aircraft during long-distance and sustained combat operations. The Boeing KC-135R operates as a leased aerial tanker, providing additional refueling capability using boom and hose systems. It supports extended flight operations, allowing aircraft to remain airborne longer for missions requiring increased range and persistence. The Airbus A330 MRTT is planned as a next-generation tanker transport aircraft designed to replace older platforms. It combines large fuel capacity with cargo and troop transport capability, enhancing India's strategic reach and long-range operational flexibility. Let's move on to transport and airlift aircraft. The Boeing C-17A serves as India's primary strategic airlifter, capable of transporting heavy equipment, armored vehicles, and large troop contingents over intercontinental distances. It operates from short runways and supports rapid deployment and humanitarian missions. The Lockheed Martin C-130J provides tactical airlift capability designed for special operations and frontline logistics. It can operate from unprepared airstrips, deliver troops and cargo, and perform low-level missions in hostile or austere environments. The Ilyushin Il-76MD operates as a heavy transport aircraft used for strategic airlift and support roles. It carries large payloads, supports airborne operations, and serves in multiple missions including logistics, troop transport, and disaster relief operations. The Antonov An-32 forms the backbone of India's medium transport fleet designed for high-altitude operations. It is optimized for operations in mountainous regions, delivering supplies, equipment, and personnel to remote and forward locations. The Airbus C-295W is a modern tactical airlifter replacing older transport aircraft. It provides efficient cargo transport, short takeoff capability, and improved avionics, supporting logistics operations across varied terrain and operational environments. The Dornier 228 operates as a light transport and utility aircraft used for short-range logistics and surveillance missions. It is capable of operating from short runways and provides flexible transport support in remote and coastal regions. The Hawker Siddeley HS-748 serves as a medium transport aircraft used for logistics and communication roles. It provides reliable short-range transport capability and supports personnel movement and supply missions within domestic operational areas. The Airbus A321-200 operates as a transport aircraft adapted for military logistics and personnel movement. It provides medium-range airlift capability and is used for official transport and support missions within and beyond national airspace. The Boeing 777-300ER serves as a long-range transport aircraft configured for VIP and strategic missions. It provides extended range capability for high-priority transport operations, including official travel and long-distance logistical support requirements. The Embraer Legacy 600 operates as a VIP transport aircraft used for executive travel and command missions. It provides fast and efficient transport for senior leadership and supports communication and coordination during strategic operations. Continuing with helicopters, the MIL Mi-17 V5 serves as a medium-lift utility helicopter used for troop transport, cargo movement, and disaster relief operations. It operates in diverse environments including high-altitude regions and supports both combat logistics and humanitarian missions. The Boeing CH-47F Chinook provides heavy-lift capability with tandem rotors designed for transporting artillery, vehicles, and large payloads. It operates in mountainous terrain and supports rapid deployment of equipment in remote and high-altitude operational areas. The Boeing AH-64E Apache serves as a dedicated attack helicopter equipped with precision-guided missiles, rockets, and a 30mm chain gun. It provides close air support, anti-armor capability, and operates effectively in both day and night combat environments. The HAL Prachand operates as an indigenous light combat helicopter designed for high-altitude warfare. It carries guided missiles, rockets, and guns, providing close air support and anti-armor capability in mountainous and frontline operational environments. The HAL Druv serves as a multi-role utility helicopter used for transport, reconnaissance, and medical evacuation. It operates across different terrains and supports both military and civil missions with flexible payload and mission configurations. The Aerospatiale Chetak operates as a light utility helicopter used for training, transport, and liaison roles. It provides basic rotary wing capability and supports operations in coastal and inland regions with limited payload requirements. The Aerospatiale Cheetah and HAL Cheetal operate as high-altitude light helicopters designed for reconnaissance and supply missions. They are optimized for operations in extreme mountainous conditions and support forward deployments in remote areas. The HAL Light Utility Helicopter serves as a modern replacement for older light helicopters. It provides reconnaissance, surveillance, and light transport capability, designed specifically for high-altitude operations and improved performance in challenging environments. Now let's look at trainer aircraft. The Bayhawk 132 serves as an advanced jet trainer used for lead-in fighter training. It prepares pilots for frontline combat aircraft with modern avionics, weapons training capability, and high-performance flight characteristics similar to operational fighter jets. The HAL Curran operates as an intermediate jet trainer used for basic jet training and aerobatics. It provides foundational flight training for pilots transitioning from propeller aircraft to advanced jet platforms within the training pipeline. The HAL HTT-40 serves as an indigenous basic trainer aircraft designed for initial pilot training. It features modern avionics, improved safety systems, and provides early-stage flight instruction for new pilots entering the Air Force. The Pilatus PC-7 Mk2 operates as a primary trainer aircraft used for basic flight training. It introduces pilots to fundamental flying skills, navigation, and operational procedures before progressing to more advanced training stages. The Pipistrel Virus serves as an ab initio trainer used for initial flight screening and basic instruction. It provides cost-effective training for early-stage pilots and supports foundational flying skill development in controlled environments. The HAL Tejas trainer operates as a twin-seat conversion trainer variant of the Tejas platform. It is used for advanced pilot conversion, allowing pilots to transition from training aircraft to operational combat missions on the Tejas fighter. Now, unmanned aerial vehicles. The IAI Heron serves as a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with surveillance sensors and communication systems. It performs intelligence gathering, target tracking, and reconnaissance missions over extended durations across wide operational areas. The IAI Searcher operates as a tactical unmanned aerial vehicle designed for battlefield surveillance and reconnaissance. It provides real-time intelligence, monitors enemy movement, and supports ground operations with continuous aerial observation capabilities. The MQ-9 Reaper serves as a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial system with advanced sensors and strike capability. It conducts surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strike missions while remaining airborne for extended operational durations. The Elbit Hermes 900 operates as a long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle used for intelligence and surveillance missions. It provides wide-area monitoring, real-time data transmission, and supports both military and border security operations. Next is Army Aviation Aircraft. The HAL Prachen serves as a light combat helicopter within Army Aviation designed for high-altitude warfare. It carries guided weapons and provides close air support, reconnaissance, and anti-armor capability in mountainous and forward battlefield environments. The HAL Rudra operates as an armed utility helicopter equipped with rockets, guns, and missile systems. It supports ground forces with fire support, reconnaissance, and escort missions across varied operational conditions. The HAL Druv serves as a multirole helicopter used by Army Aviation for troop transport, logistics, and medical evacuation. It operates across diverse terrain and provides flexible mission capability for both combat and support roles. The Aerospatial Chetak operates as a light utility helicopter used for liaison, transport, and training missions. It provides basic rotary wing capability and supports short-range operations in both inland and forward deployment areas. The Aerospatial Cheetah operates as a high-altitude light helicopter designed for reconnaissance and supply missions. It is optimized for operations in mountainous regions and supports troop deployment and logistics in remote forward locations. The HAL Light Utility Helicopter serves as a modern light helicopter designed for reconnaissance and transport roles. It replaces older platforms and provides improved performance, especially in high-altitude and challenging operational environments. The DRDO Nishant operates as a tactical unmanned aerial vehicle used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. It supports battlefield awareness by providing real-time intelligence and monitoring enemy movement across operational zones. The IFT Switch operates as a loitering munition designed for precision strike capability. It can remain airborne over target areas and engage threats with controlled impact, supporting tactical operations and rapid response strike missions. The IAI Heron operates within Army Aviation for extended surveillance missions. It provides long-endurance reconnaissance capability, monitoring large areas and supporting intelligence gathering for ground operations. The IAI Searcher operates as a tactical surveillance UAV supporting Army units. It delivers real-time battlefield intelligence, tracks movement, and assists in coordination of ground forces during active operations. Continuing with naval aircraft, the Mikoyan MiG-29K serves as a carrier-based multi-role fighter designed for air defense and strike missions. It operates from aircraft carriers with reinforced landing gear, arrestor hooks, and carries missiles and precision weapons for maritime combat operations. The Dassault Rafale M is a carrier-capable multi-role fighter planned for naval operations. It features reinforced structure, advanced avionics, and is designed for both air superiority and strike missions from aircraft carriers. The Boeing P-8I serves as a long-range maritime patrol aircraft equipped with advanced radar, sonar systems, and anti-submarine warfare capability. It conducts surveillance, reconnaissance, and anti-ship missions across extended oceanic regions. The Dornier 228 operates in naval service for maritime surveillance and patrol missions. It provides coastal monitoring, search and rescue support, and short-range reconnaissance capability in littoral and offshore operational areas. The Westland Sea King serves as a maritime helicopter used for anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue missions. It carries sonar systems and torpedoes, providing detection and engagement capability against underwater threats. The Kamov Ka-27 operates as a shipborne helicopter designed for anti-submarine warfare missions. It features coaxial rotors and carries sonar and torpedoes, supporting naval operations from frigates and other surface vessels. The Kamov Ka-31 serves as an airborne early warning helicopter, equipped with radar systems for detecting aerial and surface targets. It provides surveillance coverage and supports fleet air defense and coordination of naval operations. The Sikorsky MH-60R operates as a modern multi-mission maritime helicopter designed for anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare. It carries advanced sensors, torpedoes, and missiles, supporting fleet protection and maritime security missions. The HAL Druv operates in naval configuration for utility and transport roles. It supports search and rescue, logistics, and surveillance missions, providing flexible rotary wing capability for naval operations. The Aerospatiale Chetak serves as a light naval helicopter used for training, utility, and search and rescue missions. It provides basic operational support and operates from both shore bases and smaller naval vessels. Finally, we have Coast Guard aircraft. The Dornier 228 serves as a primary patrol aircraft for the Coast Guard, equipped for maritime surveillance and reconnaissance missions. It monitors coastal areas, detects illegal activity, and supports search and rescue operations across territorial waters. The HAL Druv operates as a utility helicopter within Coast Guard service used for search and rescue, transport, and medical evacuation missions. It provides flexible rotary wing capability for coastal security and emergency response operations. The Aerospatiale Chetak serves as a light utility helicopter used for patrol, surveillance, and rescue missions. It supports coastal operations with short-range capability and operates from both shore stations and offshore platforms.